Welcome to the Washington State Capitol, a stunning example of neoclassical architecture. This marble staircase leads to the Senate chambers, a symbol of democratic governance. The intricate golden railing adds a touch of elegance, emphasizing the Capitol's rich history and grandeur. This golden column, a prominent feature in the rotunda, celebrates civic pride and unity. Flanked by flags representing the state and its tribes, it serves as a reminder of Washington's diverse cultural heritage. The marble backdrop makes the gold shimmer even brighter, a testament to the Capitol's meticulous design. Here, sunlight pours through tall windows, casting a warm glow on the Capitol's golden railings. The craftsmanship of the balcony reflects both artistry and function, as this space overlooks some of the most significant deliberations in Washington's legislative history. From this perspective, the golden column reveals more of its intricate detailing. Each flag surrounding it has a story to tell, representing the state's counties, indigenous tribes, and government institutions. The column's position at the heart of the Capitol signifies unity and shared purpose. These marble steps, worn smooth by time, lead to the House of Representatives. The imposing wooden doors stand as a gateway to decisions that shape the lives of Washingtonians. The subtle detail in the marble walls adds texture and character to this monumental entryway. The Capitol's designers took great care to balance symmetry and detail, as shown in this view of the golden column and its surrounding flags. The marble walls reflect the Capitol's timeless appeal, while the railings guide visitors through its vast corridors of history. The Capitol's ceiling is a work of art in itself, featuring a hexagonal pattern that complements the central skylight. The chandelier adds a regal touch, illuminating the space with a soft glow. Every detail here is deliberate, creating a harmonious blend of form and function. This view highlights the Capitol's architectural scale, with its towering marble columns and radiant chandelier. The skylight above provides natural light, adding depth and dimension to the Capitol's luxurious interior design. The legislative chamber is where Washington's leaders debate and pass laws. Each desk is a seat of democracy, representing constituents from across the state. The chandeliers, carved ceiling moldings, and polished marble exude dignity and respect for the legislative process. This archival photo takes us back to the Capitol's early days, showcasing its construction. It's a powerful reminder of the labor and vision that went into creating this symbol of governance. What once was a site of rubble is now a masterpiece of architectural achievement. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.